Hello, welcome to the tools. On today's video on the tools, we'll be working on how to fix ManyCam not showing media input. So we'll be making use of this random video I got from YouTube, and so this is our sample video.
You
So if you're having this exact problem when trying to make use of
I can fix
ManyCam,
that.
we have a fix for you. So we'll be making use of FFmpeg in this fix. So if you don't have FFmpeg installed on your PC, there is a BAT file, and this BAT file is going to be in description. So you can download the BAT file in description. So the BAT file, what it contains here, is just for the FFmpeg, just for you to install FFmpeg. It will check if FFmpeg is installed, and if it's not, it's going to install it directly to your PC. So on how to run it, you just double click on it. Like I said, the link to download this file is in the description of this video. So FFmpeg already installed. That's on my own PC. But if you're going to install FFmpeg, so after that, what you're going to do next is that this is the ManyCam Fix, and let's check what it contains. So what it does is this: it changes the resolution of the picture and put it at a exact frame rate. We put the frame rate at 30, standard frame rate. That's exactly what it does. You can do this same thing making use of video editing files, but easier way is this way. So you just download this file, you drag the video you want to make use of, put it on the ManyCam Fix, drop it there, and it's going to load and give you your file. So this file now that we have is already converted the way we want it. So what we are going to do next is this. So we are going to go to media and input our new media file. So that's going to fix the issue.
I can fix.
And I would like you to subscribe too. So this is going to fix the major issue here. You can zoom, adjust the input file, zoom it how you want. So this is how to fix the issue. So you have these files, like I said, it's in the description. You can just click on the link in the description to get them. So thank you for watching. The end.